Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Jeep Compass Sport, stock number B9044PA. 95,000 miles on this local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, true blue in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program. Give you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Compass seats 5, cloth interior. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split rear seat. Folds flat for additional cargo space. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 158 horsepower. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9044PA to 66.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.